Hello, hi. Welcome once again to my channel. Today we are going to look at how to use Autofaucet. Hopefully it will be of help. And if you find this video useful, please like it, share, comment, subscribe and hit a notification button for more videos. Before seeing how to use Autofaucet, let's fast look at what is it. Autofaucet is a faucet where you can claim using their autofaucet or their manual faucet. They support 17 different coins and a withdrawal to microwallets. Also, Autofaucet can help you to get free crypto coins. You can start earning crypto in different ways. You can claim using the faucets, complete shortlinks, and offerwalls. If you're into mining, you can even mine on the site using your computer's resources. You can earn on the site Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Zcash, DigiByte, Bitcore, Blackcoin, Dash, Peercoin, Primecoin, Potcoin, Tron, Hora token, and Ripple. Before you start the Autofaucet you will need Faucet Tokens. This is a site currency and is not withdrawable. You can only use that token to start the Autofaucet. How to get started with Autofaucet? Well, you need to fast sign up into the website in order to get your own account. Check the link in the description area below the video. How to sign up to Autofaucet? Having known some information about the website, let's create an account or sign up. To sign up, click on the Sign Up button on the upper right corner. Having done that, it will take you to another page. Fill in all the information needed and then tick I am not a robot and then click Sign Up button. Having sign up, sign into your account. Fill in your username and password then click Sign In button. Now we are into the dashboard of Autofaucet and this is how it looks like. How to get Faucet Tokens, FCT? Getting Faucet Tokens is very easy. You need to click on Free Token and inside Free Token section, you will get different ways of getting Faucet Tokens, such as short links, mining, offer walls, and daily bonus which is coming soon. Let's see how to get token by completing short links. As I told you before, click on Free Token and then click on Short Link. Here, you can complete short links that will only take you a minute or two to complete and will reward you with 60 FCT and 50 level points. As you can see, my FTC is 940. And they are 162 links to complete. And here they show you the time you are left to complete all of the links. So let's see how to go about it. With this link, it has 120 FTC and it has 3 steps. To start the first step, click on Visit button. This will take you to another web as you see. Here what you have to do is to follow the instruction before clicking on the Continue button. Now we are waiting for 8 seconds before we move on. Once that is done, click here to Continue button, in order to go to other step. We are now on step 2. Here again we have to wait a bit. As I told you, we have to follow the instructions. Here they are saying, scroll down and click on Continue button for your destination link. Click on Continue button. Here we have to wait for 3 seconds. Click on Get Link button. We have completed all the 3 steps. As you see, my FTC has increased to 1060. And the completed link is marked red. So go ahead to complete all of these links. In doing so, you will get more FCT and you will go to another level points. How to get FTC with mining. Go back and click on free token, then click on mining. This will take you to the page where you will start mining. Now scroll down and click on start mining button. If the button don't start, make sure that your ads blocker is turned off, because this stops the start mining button from working. Once you do so, you will start mining. As I told you before, you can also mine to get FCT. You can use their browser miner or GUI miner. There are also plans to release some offer walls and a daily bonus that you can use to increase your FCT. They are coming soon. Using the faucets. Before we see how to use the faucets, please help me and you like, share, comment, subscribe and hit a notification bell for more videos like this one. Thanks you so much for your support and for watching. And get Autofaucet link below the video. Let's move on. In the faucet section, there are two types how you can get faucets, that is, Autofaucet and manual faucet. When using faucet, you will need the Faucet Tokens, FCT. You will need 60 tokens per claim for the manual faucet and you will receive 10 level points. If you use the Autofaucet, you can configure the claim amount. How to use the Autofaucet? Click on Autofaucet and it will take you to this page. As you see, my FCT is 1060 and with this I can go ahead. Here you will have to choose the currency, in this case let me choose BTC. Here you will have to choose the way you want to be paid. For me I am choosing Express Crypto. Choose the frequency and I am choosing 10 minutes. When you select one of these, your payment will be boosted accordingly. But also the FCT token cost will increase accordingly. So once you are done with all settings, click the claim button. And as you see my FCT token has reduced to 70. And it has started. The Autofaucet is easy to use and to configure. First of all, you will need to decide what coins you want to receive. The second option is where do you want to receive it. Feel free to choose for credit, 5% bonus, Express Crypto or Faucet Pay, 10% bonus. And as you see my FCT token has reduced to 70. And it has started. The Autofaucet is easy to use and to configure. First of all, you will need to decide what coins you want to receive. The second option is where do you want to receive it. Feel free to choose for credit, 5% bonus, Express Crypto or Faucet Pay, 10% bonus. You will see under estimated rates the rates you will receive when using the faucet. The bar is completed and if you still have more FCT token, it will keep on creating more according to the setting you made. As for me the FCT has reduced to 70 and I have no more to continue. Upcoming features. There are still some things that are coming soon to the site like the daily bonus and games. How to use exchange. Click on exchange and here you will have to fill in the form. After you have got enough coin, here you can exchange your coins to any currency. Select the currency you want to exchange as well the currency you want to exchange to. Fill in the amount, complete the capture and then click on exchange button. How to use levels. I told you about earning level points. This is because you will earn level points when earning FCT on the site but also claiming will get you points. When leveling up you will receive earning bonuses that increase every time you level up. So what you have to do is to keep on getting more FCT tokens through shortlinks, mining and faucet. Referral program. Click on the referral then it will open other section. You can use the referral program to get some referrals and increase your earnings. You will receive 20% of what your referrals earn. What you have to do is to scroll down and copy the link which you will see below having your account name. Share this link to as many people as you can. Please support me by clicking on my referral link below the video. Thank you for your support. How to withdraw your funds. Having done all the process, let's say you are ready to withdraw your funds. You can withdraw your funds to two micro-wallets, Faucet Pay and Express Crypto. This is only for the supported coins. Some coins haven't got a withdrawal method at the moment. What you have to do is to click on Withdraw, then it will bring a section of currencies that you have to choose from. Let's say you have selected BTC. Once you select one, it will take you to a withdraw section where you will have to fill in all the needed information. When you are done with the filling in, click on the Withdraw button. And that's it. With Autofaucet, if you need help, click on the Help section. Then click on New Ticket. Write your problem which you them the help you in, and then click on Create Ticket. Setting. In Settings section, you will find two settings, that is, Account Settings and Withdraw Settings. In Account Settings, this is where you will have to change your password if need be. What you have to do is to fill in the form with the required info. Once you are done, click on Change button. And in the Withdraw Settings, this is where you will have to fill in the kind of currency that you want to use. And filling in the kind of wallet, or wallet address you are using. Once you are in Withdraw Settings, go to Settings to do this. Once you are done, click on Add button. In conclusion, Autofaucet is a legit program that directly pays you to your preferred micro-wallet with some bonuses. It's still under development, but there are some cool features coming in the near future of the site. Get access link in the description area below the video. This comes to an end. Thank you for moving along with me till the end. Please help me to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit a notification bell for more educational videos like this. Thank you so much for your support. See you soon.